Hello, everybody, to CD39, and it's also called the Personnel and Leadership class, Part 2 of Administrative and Supervision course. This is the class to take if you are looking to understand what running a school or a preschool program looks like. CD38 covers the setting up and the operational side of the program, while CD39, which is this class, it covers the intricacy of managing the team and what it means to be a leader of both inside the program and outside, which is the community. So here's the format. Let's go to modules on your left-hand side of the panel, and you will see the introduction and orientation. Now, some of you have gone through online classes and you think this is not for me or I have done this before, but it is essential for me to know that you are interested in this class by doing the task that is assigned right here. Okay, the top headings, as you can see, determines the objective of the week. As you can see, this is change. It talks about change and how change affects us. Moving on to communication, how we communicate collaboratively, part 1, part 2. How we communicate for action, part 1 and part 2. And communication with documents, which is policies and procedures. And a win-win situation, how we can win your team over to work with you. And then it talks about what kind of a leader do you want to be? And a good leader is empowering others. Being an effective leader, it is engaging the power of your team to make it through so that your team, your school and program would be successful. Let's go to the homepage and look for the calendar, and I will show you the assignments. Click the home. And on the right side, you'll see View Calendar. If we were to go to the month of April, for example, you will see all the assignments listed here. There are about 2 to 3 assignments per week. As you can see, this week, 2 assignments. This week, there will be 3 assignments. Assignments are usually due on Wednesdays or Saturdays. It is good for you to get on the Saturday before the week, because it tells you an overview of how the week is going to flow. Several assignments requires you to read before so that you can prepare for the submission of your assessment. Let's go to the assessment tab. Let's go back to the dashboard. Assessment on your left side. You will see all kinds of assignment laid out here. As you can see, there are several discussions and reflections, and these are reflective journals. Critical thinking is expected during this course, and it is essential for a leader to be able to pause and reflect for self-improvement. Points will be awarded on how lessons are learned and applied to current or future endeavors. Please note that there are special assignments right at the top. Article, 1 book report, and a big group projects. Okay? Oh, just 1 project, not projects. Okay, so the book report, you will see this on week 2, or under syllabus, it tells you which books that you can choose from, and you only choose 1 book to make a book report. The project is also available for you to view in March, and the group members will be assigned to you, and there should be about 4 in a group. After that, there will be 2 peers reviewing your project. In this point here, there is, I want to show you, a reflective journal on week 7, where it requires peer review. This is an introduction fool you to receive 2 peers reviewing your reflection. After you get used to having 2 peers, you will have it here at your huge project where 2 peers will also be reviewing your project. Now, get in touch with me is easy. Just go to the inbox, which is right here, and you can email me, and you can expect to have an answer back from me in 1 or 2 days. Face-to-face conferencing is available on Tuesday or Thursday every week. However, if you are unable to meet at the appointed time, you can still request for a time and day where we both can agree upon. So please let me know when I can be of assistance to you. And do be patient with me as I look forward to many weeks of great interaction. And this is also my first fully online class. So let's learn together and be excited for the whole 16 weeks. And I hope to hear from you soon. Ciao.